In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate or redeem an Amazon gift card via the website. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable with it. Let's jump right in and unlock the value that your gift card holds. First, you'll need to log in to your Amazon account. Go ahead and open your web browser, head to the Amazon site, and sign in using your credentials. This step is crucial because you need to access your personal account to redeem your gift card successfully. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Redeem a Gift Card page. Now, depending on the layout of the Amazon website and any recent updates they've made, you might find this page under the Gift Cards section or sometimes under Payments within your account settings. So, take a moment to look around. Once you've located it, click on the link and it will bring you to the page dedicated to redeeming gift cards. Now, let's talk about the most important element here, the claim code. This code is a series of numbers and letters and is crucial for adding the value of the gift card to your account. You'll find this code on your physical gift card, and if it's a new card, you might need to scratch off the covering to reveal the full characters. Be sure to keep this code private to protect your funds. Enter the claim code in the designated box on the page. Double-check that you've typed in every character correctly, as errors will prevent the card from being redeemed. After you're confident that everything is accurate, proceed by clicking on the button that says Apply to your balance. This is usually clearly marked, so it won't be hard to find. Now, with just that click, the process is almost complete. The value associated with your gift card will now be added to your Amazon gift card balance. You can use this balance for any future purchases you make on Amazon. You'll see the new balance reflected in your account summary, providing you with the flexibility to shop effortlessly on the platform. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance is easy on Amazon, and seeing how much you've redeemed is just a glance away in your account settings. Whether you're stocking up on essentials or treating yourself to something special, these funds are now ready for you to use whenever you choose. And with that, you've successfully activated an Amazon gift card using the website. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to use your gift card balance on something wonderful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your shopping.